Becoming a new parent can be less stressful and more rewarding with knowledge of what's to come, as well as a good support system. Claudia Salisakala takes us to a discussion group offering African American moms the chance to share their birthing and parenting experiences with other new moms.
And I want you ladies to think about how you parent, because there's different ways of parenting, how you learn from your mother, your auntie, your family, and everyone's always giving you advice.
The Sista Talk discussion group ensures that new moms create a healthy family foundation for their babies.
And the women absolutely love it because it gives them the ability to come out of their home, meet with other women, have a support network that is positive. When you come to BIH Sista Talk, it's all about positive, affirming messages.
Sista Talk is part of the Black Infant Health Program at the Fresno County Department of Public Health. It focuses on empowering women.
We're not looking at the huge big picture. What we're looking at is small changes in how they view themselves, how they love themselves, how to love themselves more, because then in turn it will transmit off to their children.
California adopted the Black Infant Health Program to combat the high rates of infant deaths. Although rates have dropped, the need is still present. In 2007, the infant mortality rate for African Americans in Fresno County was 11.5 deaths per 1,000 live births. These babies are dying at nearly 3 times the rate of other babies. They are twice as likely to be born at a low birth weight, increasing their risk of dying before their first birthday.
And the thought was if we get them into prenatal care and provide some support for them, that they will in turn have beautiful, full-term, healthy babies. Over time, and initially when this program was started, the numbers went down dramatically. But now they've kind of leveled off. And so now they're looking at the life course perspective of looking at that woman before, during, and after pregnancy.
Fresno mom of 6, Utosha Davis, attended the prenatal and postpartum sessions of Sista Talk.
We all talk about our problems or what we had going on for the week before, and basically just talk about the kids. On this pregnancy, actually I was really down until I started coming to the class and they picked me back up.
The studies have shown that even with early prenatal care, that there are a lot of psychosocial issues that are going on with the women. So our environment is a safe environment where these women can come in, get some updated medical information.
Topics include child development, infant well-being, parenting techniques, bonding, nutrition, and culture.
So we really give them an education on African American culture and how that is relevant to how we live our lives every day. We talk about our ancestry, our history, the fact that we have an infant mortality rate in the African American community. You'd be surprised how many of them didn't know that.
I heard it was like a group talk basically, and they teach us about the safety of our children and what's right for children and what's not. So I was pretty much looking to learn that, and I did.
Each session places an emphasis on the mother and how her life experiences have impacted her lifestyle and parenting style. In addition to nurturing her child, the class also tells women to nurture themselves.
It's really about the woman. As I think if you can make an environment where she can grow and thrive and have as less stress as possible, you have an avenue where you can have a woman deliver this full-term healthy baby and do it in a way that is a happy experience instead of such a negative one.
The women's major accomplishments are recognized on their graduation day. The culminating session allows them to focus on their future and what they can offer to their children.
What are 5 beautiful gifts that you want to give your child? We always talk about, the material things that we always want our children to have. But exactly, Tosha, think of the intangibles.
Well, I know the values of life now, so I know not to take them for granted just because, being, a young mother. I am young, so being a young mother of 2, I learned that, all the opportunities that I get, I'm supposed to go for it and just strive.
It just brought a lot out of me and helped me see the side that I didn't see it in myself. So this class is really good for me.
I'm Claudia Solis Alcala for 0 to 5 in 30 minutes.
Thanks, Claudia. To learn more about the Fresno County Department of Public Health's Black Infant Health Program, call 559-445-3330 or visit the 0 to 5 in 30 minutes website at valleypbs.org.